Hello and welcome to the EEPROM 9, and this is a machine that is yet to have a dedicated video about it, but has appeared as if in a few other random things like introducing Aiden to it, the portal's still alive and whatnot videos that I've put up a year or so ago. It has a carry handle, it's big, it's heavy. It's got a 5 1/4 inch floppy, which I had to replace because it was dead when I got it. It's got your standard 5-pin DIN goodness. It would take ISA cards, but well, the board out the back's missing. The BIOS battery has been replaced, and finally my Velcro system holder. You can actually see inside a bit there. Can you see one of the EEPROMs though? Let's see if we can get it to focus back there. Yes, we can. This thing has about 3 EEPROMs inside. Yeah, that's where the ISA card should be, actually, down there somewhere. The ISA expansion card. Got the back of the power supply. Yes, it's the CAF ProLite 386. I've lost one of the floppies I have for this. This is one of those, basically, generic DOS PCs, pretty much. But it's nice having the manual because there's no information on it online, which means at some point I should probably scan this on and do what I did with the Husky Hunter manual. My external floppy thing lives in there too. On this side we have blissfully nothing. Option for a second floppy drive, as well as hard drive, power supply on-off switch. And on the back we have power fan, which is really noisy, and I've yet to figure out how to lube it. Standard kettle lead. I'll give you one guess at what that does. It ends the world. MDA CGA can't get it to actually work on my IBM 5150 monitor, but apparently should work with a VGA monitor, an EGA monitor, and all that jazz. MDA. Dip switch settings, because, well, it's too easy to put it in the BIOS, isn't it? Parallel port, we all know what that's for. Serial port, we all know what that's for. That was a weird modification that I actually removed all the wiring for it underneath. Like, let the headphone be plugged into the PC speaker and whatnot, but it's only half wired up. Now we open the beast. Look at that beautiful gas plasma display. Would you like to see it working, my friends? Yes, you would, wouldn't you? Oh, sorry about the other background noise. I'm playing with my Atari ST, more specifically Lemmings, and I really need to tidy up my room. But, meh. As you can see, it's super quiet. Eventually it gets better. Yes, can you turn the light off when this is recording? Probably not, so you just have to deal with the image glare. I'm not going to go through because it's just standard DOS. More specifically, MS-DOS. What version is it? It does say somewhere. I think it's 6 from memory. DIR page. Yeah, DOS 6. Thought so. Yeah, and I've got some games on there and other random bits and monochrome text and all that goodness. And it's got a really nice keyboard. Just listen to this. Yeah. The only machine that has the tactile feel that matches up or is potentially nicer than it is the IBM 5150 keyboard. I've not found any other keyboard that is as nice as this. Not even this keyboard, which does have a decent tactile key feedback. Yeah, I still need to fix that. It's still fucked. So yeah, that's the CAF ProLite. Shall we show you inside it, my friends? Of course we shall. This is the bit where someone would do some nice editing. I'm not reviewing it or anything. You got your standard brightness. You can have it like that. Contrast. When you do this, it just goes like really weird. It's like, why would you have it? That might be the default settings. And now we're going to turn it off. We're not going to go showing you all the guts of this mofo because that is kind of long. It's all sort of a bit of a pain in the arse to take apart, but we can at least show you the main bits where the processor and RAM and most of the EEPROMs are. Oh yeah, that's a hard drive that's in it. I decided to... So I had to replace the BIOS battery. Oh god, this required a lot. I even had to modify the bloody... fix the power supply because there was a loose solder joint that led to the gas plasma not actually getting full voltage, so it would be really temperamental. Eventually I figured that out. It took me longer than I should have, but it was only when it was so bad it basically refused to work. Hang on, I need my Swissy. There we go. LTUs comes. This lovely keyboard has a mega RAM in it. There's the back of the key switches. Nice circuit board. As keyboards should be. None of this membrane crap. There's your 286 processor, it looks like. It's in the same form factor as the Electron ULA. Your two main BIOS chips. There's another one further up the motherboard, up that way. And your meg of RAM on these four. Tell you what, phone's much better for the focusing than my old camera. That's your battery input. And your speakers there, so once upon a time maybe it was actually probably one of those on the motherboard. And a 32 megahertz crystal. As well as, this was actually made in 1989, so it's pretty damn old. And there's the bottom of the hard drive. Whoops. So yeah, it's a pretty nice machine. I thought it'd be nice to give it its own video. But yeah, I basically play a few DOS games I nabbed from the interwebs because, well, that's just what you do, isn't it? That's where Lemmings is from, nicked from the interwebs. But yeah, I just thought that'd be interesting. It's about time I did a video on it, and I want to put it away because I've finished playing with this at the moment until I want to play with DOS. Or try and get more software on the IBM 5150. This has its own part to play in that. Oh, those ROMs, they're beautiful. Shall we take the stickers off? Nah. There we go, and that's the type of BIOS. Phonex. It uses a pretty standard BIOS for the time that I can actually show you. Show you what BIOS looks like of ancient arse laptops from the Stone Age. That's your BIOS. Sorry about the screen flicker, there's literally sweet FA I can do about it. But yeah, I've even got it to, well, it's a year out of date. I might want to fix that. Nah. But yeah. That be a standard thing. I don't know what WP or LZ zone are. I mean, you got cylinders, heads, sectors, and then that works out the size and all that jazz. But yeah, it's pretty standard BIOS for that time. My other 286 uses the same type of BIOS. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. It's a generic PC from 1989. What more can I say? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, it also used to be used in a club of some sort. I forget what the club did. It did say in the file before it got corrupted in me and Aiden messing around with it, trying to pirate it. Should have made a backup, but meh, it was a piece of software I was never going to use. Thanks for watching.